Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. And why are 964 Porsches so expensive? Let's break it down. We got here two 964 Porsches and both of them are specific. So let's start from the C2. This car from 1991, and for the oldest time it had only one owner. And in 2024 it was imported from Japan to US in Grand Prix Motors. First thing that makes a price, it's an exterior color. Signal green, unique spec for any Porsche. And in this case, for the 964, it will increase the price by about $40,000 to $50,000. Yep, signal green, so expensive. Now let's take a look at the condition of the car, and it's not just good or nice, but perfect. This car is perfect. Door seals, seats, steering wheel, basically everything, because this car has been restored in Japan. All the interior is new. Let me show you the engine. And you know what? It's perfect. So basically this car has 0 miles. Or at least feel like this. Perfect condition can add from 30 to 60 grand to the price. So let's take an average, 45,000. This car also has restored transmission and the new tires, and this is about 20 more thousand to the price. Last thing that makes this car more valuable, this is a Japan car from Porsche Mizwa, but probably it can be valuable only in the United States. And for this sticker you will pay around 10k more. So what we have? Base price for the 964 C2 Coupe is around 80,000. 45,000 for the color, another 65 for condition and mileage, and 10,000 for Japan sticker. Wow, 200. That's a lot. Maybe this turbo gonna be cheaper. No, it's not. Turbo is way more expensive. Let's start from the exterior. We have extremely rare signal green color. Only two 964 turbos in the world featuring this color. 80,000 right here. Why is not 50? So if the car cheaper, the paint has less value. For example, on the Porsche Cayenne, signal green gonna increase the price by around 15,000. That's why here we have 80. We have this beautiful turbo wing. That means inside of this beast gonna be turbocharged 3.3 liter engine with 320 horsepower, and the top speed of this car is 168 miles. If you get inside, you can admire beautiful cashmere beige interior with the sport seats, which is rare, so we can easily add another 30,000. Let me tell you a story about one of most strangest things on the market. On all these 964s, Porsche offered a sunroof when you order in a car. You can add a sunroof for free. And of course most of people did that, but through the case it turns out that people like Porsche without sunroof, and now they are so expensive. And now if you wanna buy a turbo with a slick top, you need to pay around 50,000 more, and that's just crazy. And of course it has a nice condition, we have 80,000 kilometers, we have a clear history without any accidents. This car was imported from Japan and only two owners for the last 30 years. All this another 40,000. What we have in total? Base 964 turbo without any accidents will be around 200. Slick top, unique combination of colors, condition, mileage, and this car also from Japan. The price on car like this will be around 400,000 on the market. And it sounds like a lot of money for 30 years old car, but it is what it is. By the way, it's not the current prices. So just visit our website, maybe we have nice discounts on these beauties. I'm just trying to explain here why some old Porsches cheap, another one expensive. So that's all I'm trying to do. So if you need a current price on current market, just visit our website. Why are people buying these cars? I mean, you can find a Guards Red with a black leather, with one accident or mileage or something, and it will be a way cheaper. Why you need to spend money on these expensive toys? people just burning money? Any Porsche 964 is a great investment, especially with unique option. It is because their value trends to increase over the years. Let's take a look at the Taycans, for example. It is a nice car. It is also a Porsche. And it is kinda exclusive and luxury car. But it doesn't hold its value. Most Taycans lose about 50% of their price within the first 3 years. You might say it is because it's electric. Well, maybe. Then let's take a look at the Cayenne. Even if you buy a Cayenne Turbo S, it will lose value anyway. Most Cayennes sells for about 50% of the MSRP price after 4 years. A bit better than Taycan, but still. However, 911s usually maintain their value, especially vintage 911s. So, essentially, people who buy cars like these are actually saving money, and you still get to have fun with the cars. Yes, it needs be servicing, a place to store, insurance, and other expenses. But this kind of investment is a lot more enjoyable than just buying gold or stocks. If you will get $1 million today, like a gift, would you rather buy some gold or diamonds? Or you just want to be happy?